Today we're going to be taking a look at the iWalk Power Squid.
Squid, squid.
No, it's the Power Squid. Well, this is the 9000 mAh capacity power bank. It's certainly a compact, all-in-one power unit that has 3 built-in outputs that simply unclip just like so. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, you can count. Yeah, I can. So yes, with this you can connect to various gadgets thanks to the micro USB, Type-C and iPhone connections. Right here we have an LED round display. Oops, looks like it's not even charged. So it's going to need charging, I guess. So in the box we do have an added Type-C charge cable. There is only 2 ports on the Power Squid, a Type-C input only and a Type-A output. So after plugging that charge cable into the input, it will take quite a lengthy 3 hours 35 minutes to charge the unit from flat. And I would say if you are charging one single device like a mobile phone, it should take a little over an hour to charge, with just below 2 full recharges of your mobile device being accessible from the Power Squid. Now you can charge 3 different devices at the same time. My advice is not too bad if you're say charging wireless earphones, but any other bigger gadgets you've got to bear in mind that the Power Squid only has that 9000 mAh capacity, so it would definitely drain the power bank real rapidly when doing so. Nevertheless, if you do own different devices, it certainly helps having those neatly tucked away cables attached. Okay, they might be a bit on the short side, but I guess you can attach an aftermarket cable should you wish to that USB Type-A port if need be. As mentioned, if you do connect some earbuds or smaller gadgets, just go ahead and activate that trickle charge mode first by tapping on the power button to the top of the charge unit and then holding for 3 seconds to turn the trickle mode on and then turn it back off again to place it back in fast charge mode, indicated by an illumination on that LED display. Overall, as compact as the iWalk Power Squid is, I do think it is a real good benefit for anyone travelling, commuting, and not only that, it's got a good solid build too. Again, those wires do neatly click and tuck away, but for a staggering £30, that's around about 38 in US dollars. I mean, wow. For a 9000 mAh power bank, it does hold a pretty hefty price tag. I do think it's a little bit excessive, but let us know in the comment section down below if you actually own one of these and what you think about it. Today, we are going to give it, I'd say an 8 out of 10 is a fair score. We did find it quite useful throughout the week while using it, but if you want to check this Power Squid out for yourself, I have left a link in the video description down below, where if you take a look, you might be able to find one in different colour tones that are available. But guys, do us a favour, please like this video just now. The more likes we receive, the better and faster we can grow. But not only that, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. All the support is very much needed. But bear in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now on screen just now, we have got a few previous power banks. If you want to check them out for yourself, check those previous reviews out. And we hope to see you guys over on our very next upload. Peace.